Everybody, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Paul, Data and Digital Lab. In today's video, we'll be talking about XLOOKUP, and I'm going to let you know why XLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP combined. XLOOKUP can actually do the work of both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's have a look. Now, we want to look for our pencil. Here is, let's go to XLOOKUP. This is XLOOKUP. What are we looking for? This is our lookup value. Our lookup value is V, which is pencil. You can find it in V19. Then the next thing is our lookup array. Where do we keep this pencil? Where do we want to extract this pencil from? We want to extract this pencil from the item table. So this is the item table. So what do we want to return? Then we want to return the revenue. We want to see the revenue of the pencil. So, and the next thing is, if not found, what do you want? What do you want to put if not found? The next thing is match model. Do you want approximate match or do you want exact match? Then research mode. Then we can do this later. So for now, it doesn't really matter. So we got our revenue. So our item is the pencil. The revenue is 189.05 cents. Now this is the work of VLOOKUP. You can see that XLOOKUP is more efficient than VLOOKUP. Now let's come to the error, because when it comes to VLOOKUP, please, if you want to learn anything about VLOOKUP, you can check the video. I've already made a video regarding the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP. In the case of VLOOKUP, you will only have a table array, not lookup array. You know, in the case of XLOOKUP, we are able to just select our item, which is just our lookup array. But in the case of VLOOKUP, you have to select the entire table in order for you to be able to find exactly the item. Please just check out the video. You will find it there. I believe you will like it. Now, HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP can also do both the work of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP combined, as I've said. Now we are copying this data, Ctrl+C, and let's come to our paste. We are going to paste special. We are going to transpose. So this is where we should have click where we want to put it. So we are putting our data here. Then go back to paste special, go to transpose. Okay, now we've already transposed our data. Escape key to remove that. Now we can easily copy this once again and let's put it somewhere around here. Now this is our item. We are making this to be VLOOKUP. Let's say this is VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP. We'll put it, our XLOOKUP versus VLOOKUP. Now here we are having our XLOOKUP as well. XLOOKUP versus HLOOKUP. So as I've said, I told you that XLOOKUP can do the work of both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP combined. So let's have a look here, and you will see what I'm saying. So now we have, this is our HLOOKUP, which is we are having our horizontal data. We are having our data in horizontal value, so we can as well use XLOOKUP instead of using HLOOKUP. So we have, let's go to XLOOKUP is equal to XLOOKUP. Please check the spelling. XLOOKUP. So what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is the pencil. Then what is our lookup array? Don't forget, our lookup array is the item. Just select the item. Then the next thing is, what do we want to return? We want to return the revenue. As simple as that. Then we'll close it. Click enter. Check it out. 189.05, 189.05. XLOOKUP is more effective. XLOOKUP is more better. I have a bonus for you here. If you want to select the entire data, just put it in Control A. You've already selected the entire data. Then if you want to put it in a table, just have to Control T. So you're having it in Control T. Please Control A once again. Control A, Control T. And you have to check, my table has error. Yeah, my table has error. So you click OK. So already you have your table in error. So you can rename your table here. So you just have to make it here data. That is all. Everything is fine. So in the next video, we'll be talking about index match, and the X match. These are the functions you need on your daily basis, especially for your work. Either you are a business analyst, you are a data analyst, you are a marketing analyst. As much as you use or you make use of Excel, you have to know all these functions, because it will make your work easier and more effective. My name remains Paul, Data and Digital Lab. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Thank you.